Hello guys, this is Mansoor from Tech and hope you all are doing well. Rumors have been around the coming of the new iPhone. Yes, a new iPhone SE2. Let's talk about all the rumors we have and compare them with its first generation, that is the 5S. The design is rumored to have the bezel-less display with a notch on the top, and you will definitely getting the rectangular border design with the circular volume buttons and same placement for the speaker that is in the bottom, which sounds still good. It is one of the few phones today to have a headphone jack and will remain there. The sides are made of metal and are rumored to be the same, but the back is said to be replaced by the glass. This will make the phone more premium and will be able for wireless charging. The power button remains at the top and the mute toggle is there as well. The SIM card slot is on the left hand side. Apple in recent have been really criticized for the removable of the Touch ID, which according to some rumors is set to come back along with Face ID. The Touch ID on this looks a bit slow comparing to today's standards. The screen is a 4-inch IPS LCD panel with 640 x 1136 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass along with oleophobic coating. It's small but fairly manageable with good colors and nice viewing angles. The camera game on this thing was good at the time of its release, but it is still good in daylight condition. The primary camera is an 8 megapixel one shooting up to 1080p at 30 frames per second with slow-mo as the addition touch. Front carries a 2 megapixel camera. Here are a few camera samples. This captures great photos in good lighting condition, while low light seems to be lagging behind. The newest version is said to have a 12 megapixel sensor with f2.2 and a 7 megapixel camera for FaceTime and selfies. The specs of the 5S includes a dual-core 1.3 GHz processor, Apple A7 chipset and a PowerVR G6 430 GPU with 1 GB of RAM, with the option to upgrade to the latest iOS, making it to cope up with today's standard. Whereas the new generation is said to have Apple A10 Fusion chipset with 2 GB of RAM and will be a definite and worthy upgrade. The battery inside is a 1560 mAh battery, which according to the phone thickness is not suitable and doesn't give user even a full day. You will always find users of iPhone 5S with a battery bank in their pockets, while with the SE2 will be having the 1700 mAh, which isn't a huge upgrade in terms of milliamps, but Apple is claiming some software game to cope up with the issue. We have been listening the rumors up till yet. There isn't any specific release date, but most leaks have confirmed the arrival of this new phone, and soon Apple will be releasing this phone as well. Hope you all are having a blessed month. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again. Peace out.